All right, let's do a couple of examples. For the first one here for A, would you think about the shape, the vertex, and the steepness for that, please? Pause the video and see if you can think about what those would be. All right, for the shape, I'm thinking this is going to be a V shape. The vertex, the nice number to plug in for X would be 8. That would make the absolute values the absolute value 0, 3 times 0 is 0, and that would leave a plus 1 for y. So vertex is at 8, 1. And then the steepness is just this right here. So the steepness would be 3. And to graph that, I would plot my vertex. Vertex is right there at 8, 1. The steepness is 3. So just like plotting a point slope equation, I'd go up from here 1, 2, 3, and over 1. That's 1/2 of the v. And then the other half of the v would go up from here, up 1, 2, 3, and over 1 to the other side. And I got my V shape, and I'm good. I suppose I should put some arrows on there. Boom, done. For part B, would you do the same sort of thing here? Think about the shape of this, where the vertex is, and the steepness. Pause the video and think about that, please. All right, the shape. I'm going to have an upside down V because of this negative here. So that's my shape. The vertex, the ideal thing to plug in for X would be a -3. That would make the absolute value, what's in the absolute value, 0. And then that would leave a 4 for the Y. So there's my vertex. And then the steepness is the 2/3 or -2/3. So I'm going to plot the vertex here at -3, 4. The steepness is 2/3. So I'm going to go from here down 2 over 1, 2, 3, and plot that point. And then the other side of the V, down 2 over 1, 2. Oops, I'm running out of room on my grid. I'll have to scoot off the grid a little bit there. And I'll put some arrows on that. And I've got my V shape and I'm all set. We should be able to do this backwards as well. This time I gave you the graph. Can you come up with an equation for me? So the shape, we've already got the shape. It's an upside down V. The vertex is right here at 3, 1. So my equation is going to look like it's a V shape, so absolute value, x minus 3 plus 1. And that way the vertex matches up. And then I just need the steepness. So I'm going to pick another point here that's on a grid mark. So that one and that one. And it looks like I go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So down 4 and over 1, 2, down 4 and over 2. So -4 over 2, or let's just call that -2. Boom, and I've got it. The steepness is 2. I have a negative here because it's a flipped V. And then the vertex is at 3, 1. To double check, the ideal thing to plug in for X would be 3. And that would leave a 1 for the Y. And that's where my vertex is, right here at 3, 1. So it looks like we're in good shape.